Hey everybody, so I went to Harbor Freight today. I forgot to grab these things yesterday. Actually, I didn't forget, I just chose not to get them, and then I realized I needed them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so I grabbed a few items from Harbor Freight. These I've been looking for not necessarily these, but these will do for now until I can find what I'm looking for. I'm looking for, if anybody knows where I can find them, I'm looking for a dripper style bottle for cutting fluid. Just a plastic squeeze bottle, you know, with a dripper end. But I did need one of these oil cans, another one, and they were like $5.99, I think, if I remember correctly, from Harbor Freight. They were $5.99, yep. I grabbed two of them, as well as I grabbed this kit. And I didn't grab this kit for the little handle or the extension. I grabbed it because all of these are actually quarter shank quick connects. And it makes my life a little easier. There's a nylon, stainless steel, and a brass set of them. They're kind of like boomstick cleaning brushes. I just kind of got tired of using my boomstick cleaning kit to clean things, you know, using it more to clean, you know, rust and stuff out of, you know, washers and nuts, cleaning threads on nuts and, you know, bolts and stuff like that. So I figured it'd be easier just to get a kit that's dedicated to something like that. This was like $18, wasn't too bad. I'll open it. I really love this Warrior cutter, this power cutter. Gotta just slide that out. Throw that in the garbage. But it comes with all of these brushes, and they're on 1/4 inch quick shanks, which is nice because you know, anybody that's got a boomstick cleaner knows what I mean. That, you know, the extended rods, you know, that make the cleaner longer, they're really tiny. You know, they're like 1/16 and 1/8 of an inch. And chucking that into, you know, a 1/2 inch drill chuck it's not easy, and I didn't want to ruin them because most of them are made of brass. And it does come with an extension lock, which, you know, I don't need it, but I have a bunch of them. You know, I have the Bosch Daredevil ones, and I have these Milwaukee Quick Lock ones. You know, so it don't necessarily need that, but, you know, it doesn't hurt to have an extra. But the reason I picked these up is just so I can just chuck it into, you know, an impact driver, like this Milwaukee M12. Just chuck it in that real quick and clean whatever you need to clean. So it's nice. And then if you want to add it to an extension, or if you wanted, you know, this little handle's pretty nice. I have a lot of these, you know, styles. You know, you can use the Milwaukee if you wanted. You don't have to use the one it came with, but, you know, you can use the snap-on. Or the Cobalt ones I have. this one or all the double drive ones that I picked up, like this one. But, you know, I figured they'd come in handy. You know, it wasn't too expensive. This one is stainless. So, comes with 1, 2, a large, a medium, 2, oh, it comes with 5 different sizes. So, really small, a little bit larger, a little bit larger, a little bit larger, and a little bit larger. So, it comes with 5 of each. So, stainless, 5 of the stainless, 5 of the brass, I think. Yep, all the brass ones ended up over here. Oh, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brass, 6 stainless, 6 different sizes for stainless. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, 6 for the nylon. So it's not bad. And it comes with these two. Extension and the driver, if you wanted to use those. I kind of wish they would have just had the brushes and not this, but you know. And then the 2 oil cans. And I bought this oil can before. I have one up there with a different oil in it, and it comes with a flex head, a semi-flexy head, and just a hard nozzle. And you know, they work well. I've never had any issues with it, you know, for the price. I usually use the flexi style head. It's what I usually leave on them. I'll just cut these open. You know, for $6, they're, you know, not bad price. They work well. I never had any issues with them. You know, it does have a ball bearing on the bottom. But, you know, it's just a quick little video. If you guys want to see more on these, let me know. More than likely they'll be in some videos soon in use. Until I can find, you know, the squeeze dripper bottle I'm looking for. You know, if anybody knows where I can find a dripper bottle for like cutting fluid and stuff like that, let me know down below in the comments. It would be appreciated. But you know, these little oil cans, you can't go wrong with them. They also have a really small size. I think these are 20-ounce cans, and the part number, or the SKU number, is 1113. Just real quick, because I forgot to add it to the video, so we'll just add it real quick. These brush kit, it says Pittsburgh Automotive Engine Brush Kit, 20 piece, ideal for engine rebuilding projects. You can use it for whatever you want. On the back, it says engine brush kit, ideal for engine rebuilding projects. Nylon, brass, and stainless steel brushes. Power tool extension adapters, soft grip handle for manual use. All brushes have 1/4 inch quick change shanks. Brush sizes are 1/4, 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch. So that's the 6 different sizes. So each one comes with those sizes. So the nylon comes with 1/4, 3/8, half inch, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch. So does the stainless, and so does the brass. Just a quick little add-in, and see you later. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!
Yeah.